Hi, it's that old guy with a whiteboard. In the last video, we talked about deliberately focusing on this 30% of work that actually matters, instead of getting dragged into the 70% of background noise. And that works nicely until things don't go according to plan. So in this video, I want to talk about what happens to your focus when something genuinely unexpected lands and how to stop it from derailing your day. We all know that things will go wrong. It's Murphy's Law. But disruption itself isn't the problem. The real problem is what most managers do next. They abandon the 30% and give their full attention to whatever just shouted the loudest. Suddenly, the thing they chose to do at the start of the day disappears and everything becomes urgent. The day goes back to running them. That isn't a failure of planning. It's what happens when focus isn't protected. When something unexpected happens, most managers see it as permission to throw their focus out entirely. So try this adjustment. When disruption hits, don't find a new focus. Reconfirm the original 30%. When your plan suddenly goes wrong or something unexpected happens, the most important thing to do next is to pause. Most managers skip this and go straight to act. They jump straight into action, and that's how the 70% takes over. That short pause provides the time to ask one question. Does this deserve to replace my 30%, or can it sit in the background? A lot of noise wants your attention not because it matters, but because it arrives loudly. It sounds urgent. It's emotionally charged. Information is missing, and quite often it's someone else's poor planning. Most of it can wait. A surprising amount never needed your involvement at all. Some things do deserve your attention and should override your 30%. A safety issue, a legal issue, a genuine customer critical failure. The difference is that you choose to switch focus. You're not swept away by the interruption. Instead, you decide how to respond. Then you act. Your team is watching how you handle disruption, what you do to stay in control when the uncontrollable happens. If you instantly drop everything every time something unexpected happens, they learn that focus doesn't matter. But if you pause, assess, and clearly decide what stays in focus, they learn how to do the same. Focusing on the 30% is not about ignoring the noise. It's about staying deliberate even when things change. You decide not to react, but how to respond.